In this video, I want to show you how to make a carboxylic acid from carbon dioxide. Let's jump right in. I want to take carbon dioxide and turn it into a carboxylic acid, and you can see where the CO2 carbon dioxide part is in my final compound. So I need to figure out how to get an R group attached to this carbon dioxide. So I'm going to redraw the carbon dioxide like this. It's not really bent this way, but I'm going to draw it bent. And I need an R group, a carbon group, to come attack this carbon. So I need a negative attacking carbon group. And we've seen before that these can be made or are Grignard reagents. And my negative carbon then can come attack carbon dioxide. We've seen Grignards attack carbonyl compounds. The electrons go up onto the oxygen. So now I have an O minus, a carbonyl, and an R group. Boy, I'm getting very close. All I need to do is add some acid and water. I can grab the H plus, and it becomes a carboxylic acid. Wow, that's super simple. I can take carbon dioxide, which you can see hidden right there in my final carboxylic acid, have any Grignard come attack it. So it could be, let's take an example. Let's take phenyl Grignard and my carbon dioxide. Negative carbon attacks, electrons go up. I've got phenyl, CO minus, double bond O. I add some acid, and it becomes this benzoic acid compound. Sweet. I can make any R group here I want as long as I can turn it into a Grignard compound first. So they take a Grignard, bubble in some carbon dioxide from a gas tank, and you can make carboxylic acids. Super simple. Hey, put that in your toolbox, and now you have one more way to make carboxylic acids from a very simple reaction. I hope that helps. Subscribe to the channel so I can help you more with organic chemistry.